right, so I am here with Kari at David Weekley Homes. We are in Highland, Utah, but we're kind of on the vortex here of Alpine and Cedar Hills across the street and American Fork behind us. And I'm about to do a tour of the model home here. But you're going to tell me what is new and going on with David Weekley Homes.
Yeah, for sure. So we just opened up a brand new phase, a little bit north of where we are now, so right next to the high school.
So between we're on Canal here, so between the Costa Vida and the high school, Lone Peak High School, right on North County.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. So we've got 57 home sites there.
Okay.
All single family homes, similar style to the model.
Okay.
So that's what we call a carriage. But you've got 5 different floor plans to choose
from. Okay. Okay. Well, that's awesome. Anything else going on that anybody needs to know about?
Yes. So with the new phase, we've got new options. So some exciting ones, including a rooftop deck option.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice with the views around here.
Yes. Yeah, you've got amazing mountain views. So it's about 300 square feet on top of the home, and then it's covered.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's an option. You've got black windows, the more modern look that's trending right now. All the homes in phase 2 come with a front yard outdoor space.
Oh,
so
a little fenced area?
A little fence.
Okay.
Yep. Iron fence, close it in. We're going to pour a patio so you can do outdoor kitchen.
Nice to put the little grill out there.
Yep.
The little kids are kind of out there safe.
Exactly.
A pet maybe, something like that. Okay.
Yep. As well as you still have your side yard space, which is what you had in phase 1.
Absolutely. Okay. And these are not attached homes, just to make clear. So if it gets rambunctious in the house, or you're living it up and partying, YOLO, all that,
you're not going to bother anybody.
You're not going to bother. Well, that's good to know. Okay.
Totally unattached.
Well, cool. Well, thanks so much. And I'm going to take a tour now of the model.
Perfect.
Okay. So there you have it. There is the tour of the David Weekley model home here in Highland, Utah. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions or if you'd like more information about one of these lovely homes, give me a call or send me a text, and I would love to represent you.